Or do you want to just leave them, Dave? Stay.
No, I don't know if they'll...
And good morning.
Good morning. All's good.
Good morning, Dave.
Morning there, Danny.
Here, there's 2 right out in front of us. 3.
Coming?
No, they're going across.
Another box.
I shot this guy on the fly.
That was too bad. Those other ones, they were just, I think they had just gotten up, so they didn't want to land.
There's 4 lower. Shoot the other 3 too. Take them. Okay, take him, Denny.
Kill him, somebody. Kill him.
Kill him.
What's the matter there?
Kill him. Kill him.
I hear one.
Here. Flat out missing.
There's enough here.
Just take one.
Okay.
Whenever you want.
1, 2, 3, Denny. Come on.
Go ahead, shoot him.
No, you guys go. I've got enough.
Did you get it? There you got him. We're done.
Done? You got one?
Yeah, it's down. It's down. Good boy. Bring him here. Good boy. Bring him here, Tim. Here. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Here. Here.
Dad, that thing
Here.
weighs a ton.
Here. Here. Sit. Sit. Oh. Good boy. I think that's it, Dave.
Yeah, that's it. That's one.
That's a big
all
one.
we need.
Folks, I took the head off this bird in flight.
Here it is.
"20 birds later."
Great day. Thanks to Dave.
Danny, Greg, Dave, Chris.
Yep.
And the shot of the day goes to
Denny.
took that guy's head off.
Yeah.
We had a
he's
few
been-
missed shots, but we definitely landed 20 of them.
Never seen so many birds fly over in a half a day.
How many
Champ did a
boxes
good
of shell?
job.
Almost 2 boxes of shells. That doesn't mean that I didn't hit
I went
anything
through
either.
a good, at least one anyway.
Yeah, one good
at
box.
least one.
One good box.
Okay.
No.
Can't help but thank Dave enough. So
Well, everybody enjoyed it. We did our thing, and the geese are still flying, and they're going to come over here in a second.
Flying
They're
right over.
just coming in behind the camera, and they'll probably come over and take a dump on us.
The dog came in real handy.
Go this way.
Did that goose land?
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he landed.
you gonna take him? Take him. Take him.
Oh,
Nice
baby.
Knocked off. I've always tried to stay ahead of the competition out here at Breen's Flyway, and that's why I use Fredville Premium shotgun shells and my 870 Wingmaster 410. Shoot him in the head.
kicking.
Up higher.
Two bifocals.
We put her on the lie detector, or the fish, and it was 9 pounds.
9-pound hog.
Fish in Lake McConaughey, the walleye spawn, and Dougie comes out the big winner.
What do you think of that guy?
Keep coming. Put him in the sun, attaboy.
Look at that back on that guy. Wow. Is that a nice one or what? What do you think that weighs? 6 pounds?
Oh. What you got there, Matt?
I got some ducks you guys just smoked. And I do mean smoked.
Well, here we are on the what, 29th of...
29th of January.
You were not to be denied, were you?
Well, he was set. I thought he was going to set on Doug's head.
I know, he was going to save me.
And then if I'd have missed that one, you guys would have never let me live that one down.
How
Those
far?
3 right there, Bill. Yeah, can you move one of those? Yeah, one of those. They're just like too close to each other. Well,
Billy shot him.
Billy shot him.
Doug shot him.
Doug shot him. Denny shot him.
Then he wasted him.
Then he wasted him.
your hands full, Bill.
Nice.
Back here, see that?
2.
What's that?
Go fetch, would you?
Okay, cut him. You'll land.
No way. How did that? Did you see that goose leave with both of his legs hanging down? That was a layup.
We got him on video
I'm glad
too.
it was on your side because I couldn't shoot through the decoys. He was so low.
I know, I couldn't get the camera up high enough. With me,
How's the shooting today?
it's good.
Look, smiling at his old Lucky's here.
What you got there, Dan?
I got a BB.
Stuck right in his foot,
Pushed a
huh?
bunch of.
Great, I was pumped. I didn't get done till 7 o'clock last
With the
night.
feather and everything.
3:30 to 7 o'clock last night. I was back and forth between the doctors.
Did it hurt?
See what shot at it.
Yeah,
That's what I thought.
What shot?
it's pretty sore. That was 2-3 or something.
He wasn't very far from the.
Look how far he was. Here's his feathers right here. He landed, hit here, and landed right there. Look at how that one got pounded. I would hate to see what he looks like.
Well, how many rounds did you shoot today there, Denny?
I have 3 shells left.
Out of 50?
Out of 25.
25?
Yeah, these are
Yeah, I have-
dads. They're both Benellis.
Yeah, it was a good hunt.
We're at 19. One more to go.
One more to go. Was that one more flock or one more bird?
Well, it depends how many shells we have.
Oh, okay. Denny's got 3.
All right, come on here, guys.
What do we have here today?
Next year. Awesome hunt today. Small geese, not real big, but can you believe duck season's still going on the end of January in Colorado? Anyway, thanks, Dave. Thanks. Yeah, we set an awful lot of decoys today, that's for sure.
I have to look, man. I haven't seen it yet.
See?
Thank you, guys.
Oh, timber! Shot another one.
Is that one?
Yeah, that's the one.
Well, here we are again at day number 2, trying to find food for the family. Well, here's our setup for today. And the birds are hanging out over here.
What happened, Dan?
I mean,
And there's where he landed.
I ducked because he almost hit me.
He almost got you. Landed what? 4 feet behind you?
Yeah.
Okay, hey Dave. I guess it was in your face, huh? That's where that one there landed?
Right there.
We were ducking.
What is that? 3 feet?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey!
Must have been, yeah. That's pretty good shooting. 5 out of 7 isn't bad. Gotta leave enough for seed.
Proof is in the pudding here.
How many did you get out of those 3?
I thought 4 would come down.
Well, there's those 3 that came in.
Well, the 2 landed here. Just
I think
one
they're
of them.
dead.
Yeah, right.
Are we still
Yeah,
alive?
run away.
Be a good
That's the
decoy.
only one I saw leave.
it's on the head.
Right in the head.
Those 3 come in and we shot.
He's all jacked up.
Get him.
Oh, sweet!
I was gonna bust your.
This is my Frankie.
Here's the killer right here.
Well, we did it again today. We got our 4-man limit, 16 birds. A couple of them over to the right, but anyway, another fabulous day of hunting.
Well, looks like you did pretty good again today, huh?
Yep, another good day.
How many you got there?
4-man limit. We're actually one.
Action.
Danny and myself yesterday, we were feeling kind of sorry for Dave because it was just going to be Dave and Matt's not shooting, so we didn't want Dave's right shoulder to be pretty sore today.
Yeah, that's
All
right.
the geese, so we figured that we better come along and help him out.
Absolutely.
Sure
Good
did.
idea.
They sure did.
They sure
Doug's
did.
out there shooting with 75 yards. And all
That's
still
right. That's
number
right.
2s.
Long shooter.
Yeah, stud.
He was on fire with
Got the
them.
blue
Yes, he
ribbon
was.
today, boy. I'll tell you what.
He was on them.
We get lucky sometimes.
Well, it was like last night. You know, it's like he had to come out here and prove something. Like,
Yeah, like
maybe-
he wasn't done yesterday. Wasn't good enough for him. He had to come out and
Yeah,
just
that's
put
right.
the level, the notch up one step higher.
And that's how you do it.
what was he doing?
Spraying. You know, sprayer. So he go down right above the place. Going down right now to get some spray.